Welcome to Is Wombat Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to Wombat Wallet and related resources are in the description below. Wombat Wallet is a user-friendly and secure cryptocurrency wallet designed for both beginners and experienced users, primarily focusing on the EOCO blockchain and other compatible tokens. It is a non-custodial wallet, which means you have complete control over your private keys and assets, making it a secure option for managing your digital currency. One of the standout features of Wombat Wallet is its multi-chain support. While it started with a focus on EOS and EOS-based tokens, it has since expanded to include Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and other popular blockchains. This flexibility allows users to manage a diverse range of assets from a single wallet, making it an excellent choice for those with portfolios spread across different networks. Additionally, it provides seamless integration with decentralized applications, dApps, allowing you to interact with DeFi platforms and NFTs directly from the wallet. For security, Wombat Wallet uses industry-standard encryption to safeguard your private keys and transaction data. The wallet is designed with ease of use in mind, offering a simple setup process and clear user interface. Wombat Wallet also includes features like biometric authentication and a recovery phrase, ensuring that you can securely back up and restore your wallet if needed. These security features, combined with its non-custodial nature, provide a solid foundation for keeping your funds safe. Wombat Wallet is designed to be simple yet powerful, allowing users to stake tokens, manage assets, and participate in the growing EOS ecosystem, all while maintaining a high level of security. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned user, Wombat Wallet offers a safe, efficient way to manage your assets and interact with the blockchain. In conclusion, Wombat Wallet is a secure and versatile option for those looking to manage a variety of digital assets with strong encryption, multi-chain support, and an intuitive interface. Check the description for more details and links to Wombat Wallet.